Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy food lovers, tuning in. Preparing a nutritious snack becomes easier when every ingredient is measured correctly for the number of servings you need. That's where the Curd with Roasted Chana recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Curd with Roasted Chana is a simple Indian snack made with fresh curd, roasted chana, and light seasonings. Budget-friendly and filling, it's popular among fitness lovers and is commonly included in weight loss and healthy eating routines. The combination brings together probiotics from curd with plant protein and fiber from roasted chana, making it both nutritious and satisfying. With no cooking required, it can be prepared within minutes for breakfast, evening snacks, or post-workout meals. Simply enter the required number of persons and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, diet type, and difficulty level. You'll also find notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, protein, fiber, and calcium. Choose optional add-ons like onion, green chilli, coriander, or lemon juice to bring extra flavor and variety to the snack. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from preparing the curd until the snack is ready to enjoy. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, take fresh curd in a bowl and whisk it lightly until smooth. Add black salt and roasted cumin powder, then mix them into the curd. If selected, add finely chopped onion, green chilli, and coriander according to your preference. Next, add the roasted chana and mix everything gently until well combined. Finish with a little lemon juice if selected for additional flavor. For the best crunchy texture, add the roasted chana just before eating, as recommended in the recipe note. Once everything is combined, enjoy it immediately. Simple preparation makes this protein-rich combination an easy addition to everyday meals and snacks. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.